So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, not your usual vlog here again. So, if you're a constant follower on my channel and on my social media platforms, if you know, last March was a very hectic but a very fun time for me. As you all know, I attended a tastefully built PH car meet last March 19. I can still sing this in. I actually won a grand raffle prize of Valvoline motor oil. Well, what I have there is a semi-synthetic one because my car, as you all know, if you're a big body user, Corolla big body user, the recommended oil is only 10W30, aka semi-synthetic. So that's why I traded the fully mineral oil over the semi-synthetic. So what is this video about? So, big disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to test out this Valvoline motor and push through its paces. I've always wanted to try semi-synthetic oil for my car, but unexpectedly, this is a very good brand. I was gonna use something else, but Valvoline came into play. Yeah. So my first thing to do was actually change oil immediately and push it to its paces yet again on a long trip immediately. So just follow this vlog. I was with my friends too. Thank you for joining me in this mini vlog. So you join me a few days later on Easter Sunday. Right now at Lipa, Batangas, first official stop. So far so good with the oil I'm using. I really love it, especially on highway. It's so good to flirt all the time. Yeah, just a quick stop over here. Hope you can hear me. And haven't been here in years. This looks way different than before. So here, just see where we're going. Just testing out everything. So, it's been 4 days since that trip. I'm already actually here at the Manila International Auto Show. So, I decided to shoot here while falling in line. So, what have I discovered with this Valvoline motor oil, semi-synthetic? It's amazing. I know I did a trip with the change oil, but comparing with the mineral I used before then doing the trip suddenly, this feels more, lively to drive. Of course, being Valvoline, they're the #1 racing oil in America. Yeah, it feels much more livelier and much more, much more fun to drive. I know this is just a boring Corolla sedan, but it drives really good. So my fuel economy numbers improved slightly too. Remember, this is a newly changed oil. I did the whole trip in 1 day, 284 kilometers. So it's been a week since the change oil service. I have managed 400 kilometers already. So, in the highway driving, with my mineral oil before, I was only doing 11.5 kilometers per liter. And now with this Valvoline motor oil, with my driving only, take note, I'm doing 12 kilometers per liter, which is actually pretty good. And around in the city, from empty to full tank, So I did 400 kilometers. I did the exact same thing with my previous oil. My combined figure was 10.8 kilometers per liter. Now with this oil, I managed 11.3 kilometers per liter, which is pretty good. So yeah, that's all I have to report with this Valvoline oil. I'd like to thank everyone, to Sir Joey and to HH Asia distributor Don, who sells Valvoline here in the Philippines. So shout out to them too. So hope you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you with content here at the Manila International Auto Show 2023. Bye bye.